Yes, I have enabled now.
Okay, fine. Okay, just now I drag and drop form. So when you click on that form having three types: properties, styles, and conditions. Okay, uh, I explained in the document already. Okay, okay. If you have any doubt, go to the document later. Okay. Now, what is ID? This is the unique ID. When you drag and drop, automatically we are creating unique ID. Based on that ID, you can interact with other components in the same page. Okay, if you have multiple components, let's say form is a one component, and yesterday we did a table, right? I mean data list. Okay, that is one of the component. If you want to communicate these two components, we need a unique ID. Okay, so every component having their own unique ID. This is the unique ID. Okay, this is the auto generated one. If you want, you can change it, no problem. But it should be unique in the page. Okay, fine. Next, this is the title. This is form title. Okay. Second is hide form. Suppose if you want hide based on requirement, sometimes you need to hide that form and display. Okay. If you hide this one, it will not be displayed in the end user application. Okay. Now, properties. Sometimes based on requirement, someone will ask hide that form title. Generally, by default, it will be display form title. Let's say the employee create form, create employee is the title. Okay. So we'll try it one by one. Create employee. This is the form title. Okay. Sometimes based on requirement, you need to hide the title. Okay. Next, unsaved data. That means suppose you fill some sample data in the form, but you didn't save. If you click on other sections at the time, will shows the you need to save like that some alert. Okay. And form type, we have save, update, or select. Save, update means in sometimes you need to just pre-fill the data only. On the time you need to select. Form type is select. That means only pre-filling the data. Let's say if you log in, if you click on the profile page, you need to pre-fill what your details. Okay, based on login. So on the time we are using this one. Save, update means generally this is the employee form. When you click on that submit button, on the time we are going to save the data into database and navigating to that list. Okay, I am saying high level. In depth, In coming sections we will explain. Okay, no worries. And the final one is the mode type. Mode type means sometimes we need to enable the inputs to enter the data, or sometimes only view mode. Just we can view only. We are not unable to enter the data. This is for that purpose we are using this one. Now, this is the pre-fill API. Tomorrow session, I will tell you how to link API to here. Okay. For now, I am saying high level. Okay. See here, whatever you selected API. Let's say if you have multiple APIs, example, whatever API, you need to select and method. You need to specify the method, post method, get method. If you want to pass parameters to the API, here click on that one, add parameter. We have different types of parameters. One is a string one, and array, custom script is there, object. So like that we have. Okay. So this is the parameters we need to pass that API. This is the on success. On success means when you if API is executed successfully, we have on success event is there. Okay. What based on the on success action, we can do execute the API component. I mean other component in the same page. If suppose if you want to be on success, we need to navigate the other page. If you want to custom, you can. If you want, you can write the custom script as well. So these are the on success actions. Okay. Now let's say if you select the page. So this is the page. Which page you are going to navigate? Okay. So this is the page definition. Here we need to select the page and parameters, target same page, or open in the same tab or a new tab. Okay, internal or external. So these are the parameters we are taking for page navigation. Suppose if you select API, these are the fixed actions in Zerocode. Okay, anywhere we have only 4: API, component, page, script. Okay, these are the 4 actions. Even button having also these actions. For API, we need to select the API URL and method. Title is, if suppose we want to give the confirmation title or confirmation message, or if you want to navigate like that. Okay. If you select component, means which component you need to, let's say you need to refresh or reload or something you want to do. Here we need to select the other component on the same page, and method, you need to specify the method, submit or reset, reload or close, something. These are the inbuilt methods. Okay. And this is the page already explained. So page having query params, okay, URL and type and target. Okay. And this is the script, means suppose if you want to, if you get the custom requirement on that time, we'll use this one. Okay. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
good.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, good. Fine. This is the on success. So even yesterday you did data list also, right? There also you have group actions and row actions. There also you will get same these 4. So everywhere in the Zerocode, these are the 4 fixed actions. Okay. If you learn, if you factorize one component, same we can use for other components as well. Okay. After that, we have mapping. Sometimes we need to map form fields as well as the API fields based on response. So this is the pre-fill API. Okay. Loaders. This means initially form rendering, it takes some time. Before that, you need to show the some skeleton for that form. Okay. Next, let's say here create employee. I'm giving this unique name widget pro. Create employee. Now form setup is done. This is the styles. If you want to add custom styles for that form, so we have display. This is the CSS size, width and height, margin, padding, border radius.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, every time column must be 12, sir.
Sorry.
In this place, column is 12, na, sir. Every time we must put right in.
I will tell you. See,
Okay.
basically, this page is divided into 12. Enter page. Okay. So call 12 means it occupies 100%. Okay. Call 3, call 4 divided by, call 12 means entire page should be 100%. It occupies entire space. So by default, we are using this one. Okay. I will switch again and will show it to you. Okay. Okay, fine. Next is, so these are the styles. If you want, you can change it. It will apply that form. Okay. And final one is the conditions. Conditions means sometimes based on condition, we need to show the form is editable mode or sometimes in view mode. Okay, going forward, we will get the experiment. I will show you the examples. Okay, for now, not required. Just listen enough. Okay, and now, so form is done. Now I am going to drag and drop each and every fields. Okay, these are the default fields. Everywhere we are using basic fields. When you click on that more, you will get the advanced fields. Advanced fields not required as of now. In coming sessions, we will explain detailedly. For now, let's go ahead with basic fields. Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop text field. Even text field are also having call to work. Okay, if you want side by side field, let's say this is the text, right? If I want to drag and drop one more text field, I'm giving the see. So these are also call to work. Okay, now I am going to change this instead of call 12 to call 6. I mean side by side. Okay. See now, side by side. If you want to show the multiple fields here, means multiple fields means 3 fields in a row, 4 fields in a row, 5 depends on requirement. So initially we are showing single field in a row. If you want, you can change it here. Clear? Someone asked previously, right?
Sir, yes, sir, clear.
Okay, fine. This is the reference. Okay, I will tell you again. And now let's go ahead with each field by field. So initially, whatever we're having, 12. I'm per row. I am showing single field only. I'm removing this one also. Okay. What is a text field? The name indicates it allowing only text, any type of text. Okay. So every field having label name. I mean display name. Label means display name. Let's say, for example, if you take employee form. So generally, what are the fields available in employee form? Can anyone tell me? employee or
Employee
student.
name,
Salary.
Employee
ID,
designation. Designation.
One moment.
Employee name, employee ID.
Employee.
Employee name.
So generally ID is automatically created. Name,
ID,
Salary.
email.
Sir,
Salary.
designation, sir.
Oh yeah, or department. So generally employee department. Okay, name,
mobile name,
ID,
mobile number,
address,
ID,
Salary.
salary, email,
Email.
address,
date of joining,
Date of joining.
leave, date of joining, and
Experience.
gender. Okay,
Experience.
experience. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the basic form. Okay, these are the different types of inputs. Okay, here this is the employee name. So name indicates
Text field.
a text field. Okay, based on input, you need to drag and drop that field only. That's only challenge here. Okay. Okay.
Address. Text. Text
Yeah,
area.
we will add it one by one. I will tell you. Okay. For now, I drag and drop that field name. So name having label display name, and name is this indicates. So in the API, I mean in the database, whatever you created the name, you need to given here. Okay.
Okay.
If you select free fill API, you will get a selection here. We didn't tag the API. I will tell you tomorrow this one. Okay. For now, only form with the fields, just design only today's session. Okay. Tomorrow session,
Okay.
we will connect with the API and
Okay,
show
sir.
the output. Okay.
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 Yes, sir.
Now, okay. This is the default value. Default value means if you want to give something, let's say we will preview this one. Guys, please mute yourself. I'm getting some noise. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Now I am going to, actually this is the session based page. That's why I log in that one. We'll explain later how to give the access also. So, moment. Which page? Okay. Now I created a form and one field. Now, suppose if you want to give some sample data, let's say employment name is Mohan. If you give this one, automatically pre-fill this data in the end user application. See. So Mohan, no need to enter here. Okay. We have different types of properties. Let's say hidden. Sometimes based on condition, you need to hide that field. Sometimes if we have roles, for example, roles and requirement, you need to enter this input mandatory. Okay, and we have hide label. Hide label means you don't need to show that name. See, I'll show you name. We need to hide that sometimes. I will tell you to one field, same option for all fields. Okay, name. See, employee name is I hidden that one. And if you want, you can hide that form title as well. See, click on form. We need to hide the title. Save and check. See, form title not visible. Even field name also, field display name also not visible. So now, so it's not a high level, and in we have display format not required now. Main length text, max length at least 10 characters or 8 characters. Okay, for that validation purpose. Suppose if you want to restrict suppose if you don't want to allow the special characters, you need to give the here pattern regular expression. Okay, and placeholder enter text means enter name, and I am removing default name as well. Okay. Default name is enter name, I mean placeholder, and even field having view and edit modes. Okay, if you select for form, automatically all fields will be in view mode. Okay, this is the field level. Okay, and messages. Suppose if it is a required, what will you show? This field is required, the name is required, like that. Okay, if input value doesn't match with minimum length, you need to show some text. The minimum length should be 8 characters or 10 characters. Okay, so max also same. Suppose if you enter the, I mean, if you enter the special characters, on the time you need to show some text here. So okay, if pattern doesn't match, then only we are showing this message. If it is a required, then we are considering this message. Min length doesn't matches, this message, max length, that one, and pattern, this one. Okay, and this is the main properties. And finally, for each field, we are having some events. This is also important. Okay, so while loading that field, something you need to do another widgets or same widget or some value. On the time we are using this one. So we have events, onload event, unblur event for text, and unclick event also. These are the inbuilt events. So when you load, what will happen? Suppose if you enter the text, what need to do? So do you want to write any custom script or actions? Actions all are same. Suppose if you enter something text, we need to hit that API. See, when you click on that action, we have API, component, page, script. All are same, right? Already explained. Okay. These are the events. Okay. As of now, not required. Okay. But it is important for coming sessions. Just go through once. Okay. And this is the styles. If you want to any add custom styles for the input field, I mean text field, we can add it here. Size, margin. Okay. So these are the styles, and this is the uh, layout. I mean, how many rows? How many fields to show in the same row. Okay, and this is the condition, dynamic conditions. Okay, based on condition, you need to show or hide that field. The required also, let's say in the documents while collection, if you select the passport, then passport field is mandatory. If you select the other, then it is optional. Like that type of conditions, we need to implement here. Okay, required field, read only. Sometimes it will be we can't anything enter. Okay, label conditions. Based on condition, we need to show that employee name. Okay, onload conditions. These are the available conditions, but these are the dynamic ones. Based on this condition, we can manage this text field. Means read only, require label, name changes, okay, show or hide. This type of actions we can perform by using these conditions. Okay, this is the text field. So these are common for all fields. Okay. Next, this text field allows single line of text. Next one is the text area. It allows multiple lines of text. These are also having same options. So this is the label, I mean display name, and this is the API name. I mean whatever the name mentioned in the dataset or API, same we need to enter here. This is the default value, and here also we are having properties: require hide label, min length, max length, patron. Okay, how many rows you want to enter, hello, how many columns, display style, I mean okay, next placeholder, type of mode, view mode or edit mode, same. If you fail this one, you need to show that messages. If you fails required, then show the required message. If fails min length, we should show the min length message. Same as we discussed text field, similar to this one as well. Okay, here also events we have, and styles, conditions. So every field having these three tabs. Okay, next one is, so for example, address field, address purpose, we are using this one, address, comments. For example, comments field, I mean suppose if we want to enter the comments, then we are entering multiple lines of text, right? So on the time you need to use this one. And next one is the number field. Number means for example, salary or quantity. I mean if you enter this something quantity, on the time you are using this one. So these are also having the properties same whatever we discussed, events and styles, conditions. So when we'll use this field, for if you want input only number, then only we are using this one. Okay, for example, if we enter the products, so we need to enter the stock availability quantity. Okay, on the time we need to select this one, or account number, phone number, mobile number. Okay, some amount of number of students. So this type of requirement we need to use this fields. Okay, next, checkbox. So checkbox means uh, finally for registration I agree with terms and conditions. On the time you are using this checkbox, and if you have multiple skills, let's say if you did multiple courses, okay, so on that your hobbies, so for multiple selection we are using this checkbox. Okay, these are also same properties. And drop down means select. We are showing list of values in the drop down, we need to select that value. Means uh, for example, gender, we need to select male or female transgender. Okay, or otherwise department, it is a multiple, we are having multiple department, right? On the time we need to select that one. Based on requirement, if you want single selection, if you want multiple selections, sometimes we are using drop down, sometimes we will use checkbox. In drop down also we can select single or multiple. See here we have that option. See, multiple means we can select multiple values. Otherwise, by default, it will allow only single value. This is the drop down. Next, radio. Radio means it allows single selection only. Okay, here, for example, gender. So drop down is a one type of single selection, and otherwise, yeah, radio is another type of input. This is also used for single selection. Okay, based on requirement, we are showing this one. If you have many types, we will consider in the drop down. If you have limited types, let's say gender, male, female, transgender, only three, right? We can use this radio button. So radio button also same properties. And date field. Date means same. So when will use date? For date of joining, date of birth. Okay, this type of requirement. I mean, suppose if you are applying the leave from date and to date, if you are booking that any room on the time, these type of requirement we will use this date field. Okay, and this is the next one is the file. So file means we can upload single or multiple documents. Okay, so here we're having extra options. What are the load types, means extensions? Someone will ask JPG, JPEG, PNG. Okay, here we need to enter and restrict. So size also validation is there. So max file, minimum size to upload and max size. Okay, number of files to upload. Suppose if it fails, I mean uploading validations, we will show messages here. See here means size, max file, allowed type. Suppose if you allow, if you enter PNG, if you upload the JPG, here will show that message allowed only PNG format only. Okay, and this is the file. and table. I will explain briefly. As of now, not required. Okay, in coming sections, we will explain detailing. Okay, so just drag and drop and see how it looks like. Okay, so table fill means yesterday we did data list, right? Similar to one moment. Okay, so this table field allows to enter multiple values. This is also subform in the main form. Okay, here we can add multiple values to that form. For example, if you're having multiple address, okay, you are entering multiple employee having generally what we are employee having multiple case multiple okay previous companies, okay, previous experience. On the time we can enter multiple values here. Okay, and next one is the image. Image field is means we can upload multiple types of images. So here extension is also there. Okay, here also we are having single or multiple file multiple image upload and validations. Okay, next one is group. So group field means we are grouping few fields in a single row. Here again you need to drag and drop multiple fields to this group. For example, employee basic info, name, email, address. Okay, next one more group, employee previous experience details. This is the another group. Okay, so you need to split into the form into the multiple groups. Okay, on the time we are using this field. See, if you want, you can drag and drop here in the group only. Okay, this is the group field, and this is the final button field. See, button color style, if you select color style is 12, it will also occupy entire row. See, save it and show here. See, all fields, image field, file field. Okay, this is the form with basic fields. Okay, so button having actions, multiple actions. We already discussed this one. We are having 4 fixed actions: API, component, page, and script. Download not required for now. Okay, so these are the different types of input fields in the form. Okay, so each input field having we have display styles and validations and type of input we need to allow, and so these are things are for all are having common. Okay, so any questions so far?
Sir, it's clear, sir.
Clear? Very
Yes.
good. Okay. So everyone create one form. Let's take employee or registration, a student create form, or company create form. Create even create one form and try with these fields. Okay, and show me in the end of the evening session. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes.
tell me yesterday assignment questions.
Yes.
I will stop my
Then
screen
that is-
sharing. Share your screen and show it to me. I hope everyone completed yesterday assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sure.
Yeah. If you have anyone having doubts, show it to me. Yeah. You created form. Yesterday said the data list only, right? Assignment. Hello. Bharadwaj. Hello. Bharadwaj, can you hear me?
Sorry, sir. I muted my and I am talking. Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Tell me.
Number of colleges in the district. Thinking about that, and I created this one.
Mm-hmm.
And I am unable to add actions in here, sir. I mean, in this,
Is it
you
yesterday
need to
required?
enter college name and college code. It must be displayed here, no, sir.
No. What I'm asking, is it yesterday assignment, or you are doing your own?
No, sir. I take different name for yesterday assignment.
Yesterday assignment, he said only data list only, right? How to drag and drop and how to
Yes, sir.
create.
That one is here, no, sir. Last.
Yeah. Okay. So you college name, college code, and college address you added. Okay, fine. How many columns? Click on columns.
Sir, 4 columns, sir.
Okay, click on that columns, right side. Right side, yeah.
Yes, sir.
You created 4 columns, fine. Now tell me what is your requirement here?
In college, I mentioned here college, no, sir.
This is a form, right?
Yeah, in form. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
In this form, I am unable to add actions like if you press save now, we need to enter into number of colleges and everything we need to add here, no, sir.
Okay.
Whatever we take, we given here, it must be added into number of colleges.
Okay.
I'm unable to add that actions like this one, sir. Like this.
Okay.
Group actions, I am unable to add group actions there.
Okay, fine. Thing is, tomorrow I will tell you how to connect. Now, without API, we are doing the training session. Tomorrow,
Okay.
I will connect with API and show it to you. Why?
Okay.
Because if I explain to you, somebody will get confusion. You are in the advanced part of the Zerocode. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will link data list and a form how to connect and how to do the card operations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
I'm getting like this, sir, output in end user application.
Okay, good try. But I will tell you the tomorrow session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine, good. Okay. What about others?
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
Yeah.
I'm unable to open that end user application, so right sometimes.
Show it to me.
Yeah, I do have that problem, sir. Sometimes it was not working properly at all.
For example, we can take that e-commerce is there, no? So
Same problem.
Yeah, it's
That
not.
means, see, listen, go to e-commerce application in the development kit.
Yes.
That means in that application, we don't have at least single page. Click on that one, e-commerce. So this is application and models, right? Go to our pages. Select at least one page in the category list is right. Click on that one.
Yeah, okay.
Click on edit. At least one page should be is menu. Enable click on is menu option.
Yeah.
Is menu.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And that one. So after login only you are checking, right? Click
Yeah,
on master page, not this one. Click on master page. Master page above.
Master page, master.
No. Application, we have application, module, and master page, right? Fields,
Yes.
form fields. Down. No.
Third blank.
Check in the form. Form only. Go to same page.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Category page, category details, right? Click
Yeah.
on edit.
Can I-
Click on edit.
Okay. Sir.
Edit. See, what are the fields we have?
Like-
Application, module,
Module,
master
use-
page. Okay.
Master.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now here select is menu option. Is menu. We have no.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah,
Sir.
update it. Check it now. That means at least we need to have one page. Yeah, it is coming,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's coming. Sir. Thank you, sir.
That's the only problem. So
Yeah. Okay.
you created applications and modules and pages also. At least one page should be in the menu. Then only it will navigate to that page.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir,
Yeah.
client side it's not opening, sir. Myself.
Okay. Share your screen.
This is a client server side.
This is the development kit, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But it's not opening this one, sir.
Not opening means what to select a default application. That means go to development kit. Select
Yes.
base application is the default one. Base application. We have other application. No. Go to applications. Click on apps. Okay. What are the applications here? Tell me. College management,
College management.
e-commerce, hospital management, administration, base application, right? So
Yes.
you selected default application is hospital management system. That means in that application we don't have any pages. That's why it's showing empty. So
Okay.
go to base application, edit, back, click on three
Back.
dots, click on apps, go to base application, click on edit. Okay, here select is default application. Right, just no, first go to field wise. We have name, code, theme, icon, select task, and is default application, right? Click
Yes.
on that one, update it. Okay, it takes 1 more minute to update that application. Let's wait 1 minute. Okay, now try it now.
Stop loading this page.
No. Right now, it takes one minute.
Sir, can I open?
Yeah, try it now. Reload now.
Yes, sir.
Reload. Yeah, it is working, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, anything else?
Sir, I have also same like that, sir.
Okay, now you got idea.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So,
So see, if we don't see anything in the end user application, that means we need to check the default application.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
default, which one is the default application? Let's say if you select new one,
Okay.
that application having modules and pages.
Okay.
Okay, if it is having pages, then automatically it will work. If you don't have,
Okay, sir.
on that time only it's showing blank. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
sir,
Yes,
still menu option not coming. Sir.
menu option. Share your screen.
Okay, sir.
For which application? Hospital. Okay. Pages. Okay, is doctor page is the default page, right? Is menu. Okay. Show me in an end user. Go to end user application. That means you selected master page is the blank one or something else. Instead of that, select user page. Let's say go to that page, click on edit. Now here instead of blank, select user. If you
Okay,
want menu, select user, then only you will get the menu. Doctor page, right? This one. Right in same
Yes.
page only. No, you didn't select that one. Go to doctor page in the development kit. Doctor page. Yeah, click on edit. Select here. User. Update it. Check it now. Coming?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine. Anything else?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, the script should be written in the JSON format. Right? So that like you show the script format also you show. So you
Yeah.
should
No, the script means JavaScript.
the JavaScript you also.
Yeah. It will accept only JavaScript. Sometimes we need to perform the DOM operations. On that purpose, we are adding that one. As of now, not required. In special cases only, we are using that one. As of now, not required. You don't need to focus on that one. Later session, we will explain detailing. Which type
Can you
of
please show that drop down menu once again? If like how to select the options inside that.
options? I will connect tomorrow. I mean, drop down API. Or otherwise, share your screen. Hello. Athar, unmute yourself and talk.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Open that page. You have created any form? No, not created, right? Okay, do one thing. I will tell you the evening session. Okay, how to map that API to the drop-down list. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, we will connect again 4 to 5 evening session. Any doubts? We will discuss on that session. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye.
sir. Okay, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.